Now that we've imported the list of hydrants that we're going to test with the FireFlow Pro into our QSI handset, we're ready to go out and do our FireFlow test. Now once we get out to the hydrant, there's one of two ways to identify the hydrant. If you already have GPS location on the hydrant, you can simply use the GPS find feature on the FireFlow Pro and it'll identify that hydrant and automatically fill in all the attributes for that hydrant so it's ready to test. The other way is to scroll through the list of hydrants. Once you've identified your test hydrant, the first thing you're going to do is install the test cap. And on the test cap, you're going to install the sensor. And then you're going to open this valve so that you can bleed the air off the fire hydrant. And then we'll go ahead and open the fire hydrant, bleed the air off, and slowly shut this valve off. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to activate the test hydrant on our QSI handset. We're going to see the current or static pressure in the main, and we're going to lock that static pressure. Next step on the QSI handset is we're going to press next. It will tell us what the next fire hydrant is that we want to test. If we're satisfied with that, we select yes. At that point, we set the hose monster up with the fire hose and the sensor on the flow hydrant. Once it's connected, we activate the flow hydrant on the QSI handset. Once that's activated, and we can see it's activated, we'll begin flowing water out of the flow hydrant. Once we're satisfied with the data we're seeing, we're going to press the Capture Data button. At that point, we'll shut off the flowing hydrant, and when all of those numbers go back to 0, we're going to go ahead and stop the test, and then we're going to save data, and at that point we'll enter in any deficiencies we see, any notes we want to add, and the operator's ID, and then we're going to hit finish, and the FireFlow test is done, and now we bring it inside and import the data into IMS.